What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. In today's video, we're gonna be solving an issue that I've been dealing with for a very long time with on my truck. Now, if you're anything like me, you're an extreme off-roader. As you know, on this channel, we do nothing but the hardest of trails with our beautiful truck. So I need a phone holder that can do two things. Number one, it needs to be able to withstand all of the trails that I put it through. And secondly, it can't be in the way of everything else in the cab. And lucky for you, we found one that has a third perk. It's super affordable. Let's get right into it. So this is everything that you get inside the kit. Of course, you got the instructions, which we won't need. You get the box, but then you get everything that you do need. And this is a very simple install, which, you know, we like simple installs. Another real neat feature is they have all the tools included, even the drill bit. Step 1, remove the center console trim panel. Step 2, mark the 4 drilling locations. Unfortunately, I don't have some cool white Sharpie, so I'm gonna have to improvise and make my own type of marks. I'm using the drill bit. Alrighty, now that we got the holes in place, step 3, install the phone holder with the 4 screws, 4 gaskets, and 4 nuts. This is what it should look like once you got the screw and the bolt through. And I gotta say, with just one bolt in here, it already feels extremely sturdy. Step 4, install the center console trim panel. And last but not least, step 5, install the phone holder. This is what I was using before. First and foremost, it does not hold the phone as well as I thought. The magnet feels pretty tight, but once you go over a couple bumps, it falls off. Secondly, I don't like how it blocks the air vent. In the summertime, you want that cold air hitting you, not your phone. In the wintertime, you want that hot air hitting you, not the phone. With that being said, it's trash. I'm kidding, Sandy needs that. There are other phone mounts like this one, but they are way more expensive. I like the rugged tactile look of this one. It's very clean, it's not in the way. I also like that I can adjust the height, make it tall, make it short. If you're interested in picking one of these up for yourself, it will be linked down below in the description. Other than that, to the subscribers, to the viewer of the Aing channel, I want to say sorry first and foremost for not uploading in so long. But secondly, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, I promise you don't want to miss them. They are going to be worthwhile. Nothing but bangers. Nothing but bangers.